Today I want to share with you how to make these two creams, which are amazing for expression lines and the little wrinkles that start to form. It's super moisturizing. It's one of the best natural collagen boosters. Look at this texture, try it. Especially the first one I'm sharing with you for the face, and the second one I'm sharing is amazing. For example, if you have cracked heels or very dry feet, you're going to love it. You'll see the difference from the very first day. So let's get started. It's very affordable and simple to make. It's amazing. The properties of garlic make it a very valuable ingredient in anti-aging care. Don't worry, none of the creams will smell like garlic. Garlic contains vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, C, E, and minerals. It contains allicin, a compound that inhibits the process of wrinkle formation and helps to reduce existing wrinkles. It has an effect on the skin, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal. Enjoy your meal. We put the garlic cloves in a small pot and add a cup of water, 200 milliliters. We cook for 7 to 10 minutes after it starts boiling. When they're tender, they're ready. Together with the water, we're going to blend them. Garlic effectively reduces the appearance of wrinkles on the face, neck, and hands. We're going to strain the garlic mixture with a fine strainer. Enjoy your meal. The properties and benefits of garlic have been used for hundreds of years. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Take the mixture to low heat. Stir until we get a creamy and smooth mixture. We are going to make two creams. We separate it into two parts. To one of them, add a teaspoon of almond oil and a teaspoon of aloe gel. You can buy this at pharmacies, or you can also use natural aloe gel. optional. You can add 3 drops of rose essential oil or whichever you prefer. Mix all the ingredients very well. And place it in a glass container. Please leave a comment. Did you know about this ancient cream and what are your thoughts? I'll be watching for your responses. This cream lasts up to 7 days in the refrigerator. You can apply it to the skin on your face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your skin. And starting from the first week, you'll already be able to see the results. You'll notice your skin is softer and smoother from the very first moment. Now we'll prepare the second cream with a teaspoon of Calendula oil and a teaspoon of honey. We mix all the ingredients very well. We put it in a little jar. And we can store it in the fridge for 7 days. You can also apply this cream to your face, neck, hands, even around your eyes. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your skin with warm water. I truly hope you really like this cream. Can the first one we made be done with or without essential oils? If you don't add essential oils, you can also use it around your eyes. It's excellent, you're going to love it, and it's extremely affordable.